All right, guys, we are on day 5 of your math, just one page, April 29th. And let's see what it says here. Read each clue to help you figure out the 8-digit number. Ah, look at that little decimal point. Okay, it's going to be a decimal. Multiply 3 by the number of days in a week. Subtract 12 and write your answer in the thousands. Okay, so just for review, I'm going to write the place value across here. Hold on for just a second. Okay, I put this text box up here to help you. So this is the ones. You see this decimal point here? You can hardly see it there. I wonder if I can make that a little bit. Oh no, oh there we go. I thought I lost it. So this is a decimal point, okay? So on the left side of the decimal point, the first place is the ones place. This is the tens place, hundreds place, thousands place, 10,000s, 100,000s. Now down here, the first place after the decimal points is tenths. See that THS? And hundredths, THS. Do you see that? All right. So now let's see what this says to do. Multiply 3 by the number of days in a week, subtract 12, and write your answer in the thousands place right here. So 7 days in a week. So we've got 3 times, it says multiply 3 by the number of days in a week is 7, and we get 21. You can look on your multiplication sheet. And then it says subtract 12 from that. All right, so 12, and you can use your hundreds chart on the back of your multiplication sheet. Oh, I did that wrong. Okay, sorry about that. If I erase everything, if I try to erase that, it'll erase everything. So I'm just crossing it out. It's 21 take away, here, let's do it this way. I know I'm going to be right on there, but I want to show you and remind you we can't take 2 from 1, so we have to borrow. And now we've got 11, take away 2, which is 9. All right, that's our answer. And it says to put that 9 in the thousands place. So come up here, find the thousands place, and put a 9. Okay? So I'm going to read these, but I'm not going to do them all for you because I think you're capable of doing these just fine. So add 3 to the difference between 5 and 2. All right, well, you remember that difference means to subtract, take away. So what's the difference between 5 and 2? 5 take away 2, get that, and then add 3 to it. And then write that answer in the ones place. Put that here. Okay, now it says divide the number in the thousands place by itself. So here's the thousands place, you've got a number in there. So you're going to divide that by itself. Oops. All right, and then multiply the answer by 0. Write that answer in the tenths place up here. So you have to decide 9 divided by 9 is what? Look at your sheet if you need to. Remember the opposite of division of multiplication. 9 times what equals 9? Or in a group of 9 tallies, how many groups of 9 do we have? Then you get that and multiply it by 0. And then write that number here in the tenths place. Okay? All right, number 4. Subtract the number of days in a weekend from the number of days in February, non-leap year. Okay, so there's 28 days in February in a non-leap year. We had 29 this year because it's a leap year this year. But in a non-leap year, it's 28. So subtract the number of days in a weekend. So think of the days that you don't have any school, not now, but in a normal time. Subtract that from this and divide that, what you get, by 2. Okay. Subtract the number in the thousands place from that answer. Oh my, they're really doing a scavenger hunt there for you. Write your new answer in the hundredths place. All right, so subtract the number of days in a weekend from the number of days in February. Okay, so you can do that. 28 minus the number of days in the weekend. Okay, then put that here and then divide that by 2 and see what you get there. And then subtract the number in the thousands place from that. So what you get here, take away 9 from it, and then write that answer in the hundredths place. All right? All right, I'm going to move on to read the next ones to you when I erase this to be able to move up. It's going to erase everything, but you should have it all on your paper. All right, here we go. All right, so let's get rid of that and let's go to number 5. Add the numbers from the tenths, hundredths, and ones place and then divide by 2. Write your answer in the tens place. This is kind of fun. So we've got these 3 answers. Add this, this, and this, okay? And then divide it by 2 and put that answer in the tens place, okay? All right, number 6, divide 16 into the number of hours in 2 days and write your answer in the hundred thousands place. That's over here, okay? All right, so it says divide 16 into the number of hours in 2 days. Well, you know that the number of hours in 1 day is what? I hope you said 24, because there are 24 hours in 1 day. So if there's 24 in 1 day, how many in 2 days? You multiply 24 times 2, or you can add 24 plus 24. So divide 16. Now, once you get this answer, whatever you get for that answer, you are going to put here and divide by 16. Now, remember how to do that? We guess and check. So put 16 times a 1-digit number until you get that number. All right, and then put that in the thousands place. Okay? All right, number 7, multiply the number in the hundred thousands place by the number in the thousands place. Subtract 20 from that. Write your new answer in the 10,000s place. Okay? Subtract the number in the tens place from the number in the ones place. Write your answer in the hundreds place. Well, this is kind of fun, so I hope you have fun with that. And that is it for today for math. If you do struggle with this in any way, let me know and I will go over the ones that you are having difficulty with, okay? All right, so tomorrow is Thursday, April 30th, and it's just a day for you to catch up on any work that you may not have completed yet and any other instructions that your teacher, Mr. Miller or Miss Nash has given you. All right, well, you have a great weekend, and we'll see you on Tuesday. It'll be May. All right, bye-bye.